Every one of us loves a beautiful home, but many of us think that we need to spend a lot of money to make our homes beautiful. I say we don't need to spend much money to make our homes beautiful. It only requires a little bit of our creativity and we can do wonders. Hey everyone, it's Rosetta here, and today I'm going to share 3 inexpensive DIY ideas to make our homes beautiful and a place to live with our families in a happier way. I'm also going to share if anything goes wrong in your craft, how you can fix it. And the best part is these are inexpensive. The common supply in all these 3 DIY is the burlap twine, which is available at a very reasonable price. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let's begin with the first DIY. For this we would need some balloons and burlap twine. Simply wrap the twine around the balloon in any random fashion, and this is how it looks. Cut the end and secure it. This is now ready for a quick coat of glue and water. Mixing 1 spoon of glue and 1 spoon of water, giving this a nice coat. Coat it really well, guys, because the twine is overlapping each other and we need all the layers to be coated really well. I'm placing a container and keeping the balloon for an easy application. I have wrapped few more balloons and also coated them nicely, letting them dry sitting on the container. You can also use a blow dryer for quick drying. I tied them together and hung it for drying, and now it is completely dried. Now is the time to deflate the balloons. Pierce in 2-3 places so that it releases air easily, and pull the balloon out of the orb. Now if the balloon is stuck, just push it slightly and it will easily come out of the orb. So now this balloon is stuck, so I'm pushing it inwards, and this is how you can easily remove the balloon if it is stuck. The first one is ready. Let's move on to the others, and now I'm going to show you if this gets distorted, what you need to do. So if the orb is distorted like this and the balloon is stuck, try to remove the balloon first. So I'm removing the balloon pieces because it was broken. You need to take a fresh balloon and insert it, inflate the balloon and try to bring it back to shape. Now when it's back in shape, release the air from the balloon, remove it, and the orb is nice in shape now. What you can do, you can also apply the mixture of glue and water on this so that it is tough and strong. The orbs are now ready. I will show you how I decorate it at the end of the video. Moving on to the second DIY, I have taken a cardboard. This is a cake board which I have saved for my DIY. Repeating the same process as we did with the balloons, I am wrapping the twine around the cardboard. And now, once it is done, I am taking the same mixture of glue and water in the ratio 1:1 and coating it really well. This is now coated nicely. I'm using a blow dryer. I have also left it for 2 days in order to let it dry really nice and crisp. Taking a knife, I am cutting the twine. Now in this process I would really request all you guys to be really slow and very careful while you are working with sharp objects. So I'm going slow and cutting the twine one by one. It was really tough to cut some of them, but if you go slow with patience, you will definitely do it. Now once the cutting is done, just lift the sides one by one slowly and try to peel it. Again, while you're peeling, be very slow and try to remove all the strands together. Yeah, now this is it, and some of the strands were still stuck in the cardboard, which I'm okay with because the outcome is really looking beautiful. Now flip the cardboard and do the exact same thing. If you're finding this video useful and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, guys. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. You need to be really slow and do this with patience. Alright, so here are both the pieces and they look really beautiful. Now for the edges which are uneven, you can just trim them, and for the ones which are half stuck and half coming out, you can apply glue and stick them back. Don't worry, there'll be very few of them. Moving on to the third and the last DIY of this video, you need a glass bottle and some acrylic colors. I have chosen black and white to get a shade of grey. And now dabbing it with a sponge tip applicator. I'm not going to color the complete bottle, I'm going halfway till here. You can use a masking tape for marking a clean line, but I did not need because a marking was already there in the bottle. I'm going for a second coat once the first one dried, and now the bottle is completely dried. I'm using the twine and applying glue to stick the end and then wrapping it again in random fashion. Cut the end and secure it. Now I'm going to take some half pearls and stick with the help of glue. I'm sticking the pearls here and there. And this enhances the look. Now for the top portion, I am wrapping the twine at the neck, securing it. Now take the twine, apply some glue so that it is stiff because we need to insert some pearls here. This way you can easily insert the pearls in the twine. You can add as many pearls as you like. I have added 6 pearls, dividing into 3 and then tying a bow. Adjust the bow as per your preference and stick it at the neck of the bottle. Now I'm measuring how long I want it to hang and then tying knots. Cut the excess. Adjust the pearls. Just one more pearl on the bow and your bottle decor is ready. And it's time for the final looks. You can keep this bottle anywhere you wish to, and I have kept it with my diaries and books, and it looks super cute here. For this one, I have stuck this on the wall using double-sided sticky tape, and I've also used some artificial leaves to decorate, and it looks beautiful. And for the orbs, I have used colorful lights and hung them at the corner of the entrance, and it looks beautiful here. Try these guys, they're really inexpensive and will surely beautify your home. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments section down below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video as much as you can, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Stay safe and I will see you soon with more ideas. Bye guys.